to take stairs. They can play any outdoor sport. So these thing can be done. But if still it's not producing ovulation, still if they are having. Hi, I am Dr. Aradhna Gupta. I am IVF specialist and working as a director Aradhna District Baby Center, Bhopal. So now today we are talking about the PCO. PCO is known as commonly polycystic ovarian syndrome, and this is a basically hormonal disorder in which there is imbalance of fertility hormones, FSH, LH, and there is insulin resistance, and that causes the defect in ovulation. These patients, they have multiple follicles or eggs in their ovaries. So there is the ovulation doesn't occur on time, or it doesn't occur at all, or if egg forms, it doesn't rupture. So this cause the irregularity in the periods. To control PCOD, the main correction should be done in the diet and exercise, and such patients should have a diet with low fat and low carb, with high protein, and there should be lot of salad, lot of fibers, and these patients should take a lot of liquids also, and exercise is very important. And if they are overweight, or if their BMI is little higher side, then they should try to control their weight, and by reducing 5% of their weight, the ovulation may start. The diet which is having high fiber are the dark green leafy vegetables, red fruits like beetroot and apple, and they should have a lot of proteins in their diet in the form of all kind of the millets, and like in the form of quinoa, or they can proceed to soya, or to the gram, such kind of the they can use with their uh, whatever chapati they are making. So they can mix these multigrains, and they should take the whole grains whenever they take any kind of the protein, plus exercise, which is at least half an hour to 1 hour, good exercise in the form of running, skipping, or to take stairs. They can play any outdoor sport. So these thing can be done. But if still it's not producing ovulation, still if they are having irregular periods, then they should go to a gynecologist. Maybe they are having associated hypothyroidism or hyperprolactinemia. These all are hormonal disorders associated with the PCOD. They may have a insulin resistance, so there is a tendency to gain weight. So that can be checked by gynecologist, and they can be treated with some medicine like medicine metformin, which is given in the form of for the insulin resistance, or myoinositol and dechiroinositol combination, which again controls their sugar this resistance to the insulin. And in ovulation inducing drug can also be given to such patient, so that they will have a proper ovulation. And we prefer to have a one egg to be formed, and then they can be sent for the time intercourse, or for the IUI in the cycle. Sometimes hormonal injection can also be given to such patients, but it's a common disorder, so there's nothing to worry about. It has been it can be treated in 80 to 90% of cases nicely, with a simple correction of the hormones and correction of the diet and exercise. or with a little bit of assistance in the form of ovulation induction with time intercourse or IUI. In very few cases, there may be some requirement of other things like they may undergo to IVF, or if there is some associated problem especially. So there is nothing to scare about it if you are having PCO, and that can be managed nicely with nutrition and exercise preferably, and little assistance may help to have you have a baby.